my name is Stephanie and I'm the founder of SUTAI and welcome to my creative show. The wild spread of coronavirus has been impacting us globally in all areas of our lives. Since the outbreak, one of the most serious issues among all highly impacted countries has been facing the shortage of masks to supply to our frontline supporters and citizens. While N95 masks are considered the most effective by the standards at the US CDC, there are other options we can consider to stretch out the consumption of our limited supplies. We're not experts in the medical field, but we have done some research and found there are effective homemade mask options we can all make ourselves. In this video, we're going to show you a way to Furoshiki a mask without any sewing, and that fits around your face perfectly. The benefit of Furoshiki mask is that it can be reused over and over again. Just be sure to wash it thoroughly after use. So what you will need is one piece of paper towel to use as a disposable filter, and a 20-inch Furoshiki. In our example here, we're using our signature Furoshiki, Dancing Star, made with 100% lyocell, a soft and moisture-wicking green material. Each fabric-based mask is recommended to be changed every 3 hours for its maximum effectiveness, and be sure to wash it thoroughly after each use. If you find this Furoshiki technique useful, please share with your friends and family. Stay safe and always wash your hands. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!